बहुत दिनों बाद मिले हैं, मुझे पता है. So basically in this playlist I have discussed about mechanical operation in detail. So ये मेरा फर्स्ट लेक्चर है जिसमें इंट्रोडक्शन टू केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग प्लस यूनिट ऑपरेशंस एंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ यूनिट ऑपरेशंस डिस्कस किए. नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में टेलीग्राम की लिंक दी है जिसमें आपको सारे नोट्स मिल जाएंगे और मेरे पिछले वो वीडियोस भी आप वॉच कीजिएगा. सब बढ़िया है, थर्मोडायनामिक्स के रिलेटेड है, मास ट्रांसफर ऑपरेशंस के रिलेटेड है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ अबाउट इंट्रोडक्शन. सो हियर chemical engineering is the branch of engineering which is concerned with the design and operation of industrial chemical plants. So केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग एक ऐसा ब्रांच है जिसमें जो केमिकल इंजीनियर है वो डिजाइन एंड ऑपरेशन के ऊपर फोकस करता है इन एन इंडस्ट्रियल केमिकल प्लांट. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज अ केमिकल और प्रोसेस प्लांट is required to carry out transformations of raw materials into our desired products, but by how efficiently, economically and safely. So this is the role of a chemical engineer, that in a chemical engineering plant we transform our raw material into our desired product, and that is also how efficiently we do that, how economically we do that, and giving the safety aspects too. A chemical engineer works in 4 segments. Chemical engineer works in a 4 segments. So which are they? First one, that is the research and development. Second one, that is the design sector. And third one, production sector. And the last one, that is the sales sector. So basically we have all heard about the research and development sections. In that, research is carried out and developments are made so that how efficiently and economically we can produce more product, our desired product from the given raw materials. This is the R&D sections. We have all heard about it. Second one is the design section. In design sections, how the equipments are designed so that we can get more economically the desired products. And third, that is the productions. How much pressure, temperature we can give so that we can have the maximum production in a given time period. Sales. Fourth segment is sales. So in sales we distribute among the merchants so that our productions carry out further. Now what do you mean about the unit operations? So in a chemical industrial plant there are carried out more of unit operations. Firstly, we have discussed that chemical engineering deals with the design and operations. So the operations involving any physical changes are termed as unit operations. So broadly we classified this unit operation in 4, that is mechanical operation, fluid flow operation, heat transfer operation and mass transfer operation. So first of all, we have cleared that unit operation means any physical changes takes place in the operation. Those all operations are involved in the unit operation. So for example, in mechanical operations we have size reduction, separation, etc. all are included in the mechanical operations, through which we deal about the mechanics in this operation. Second comes the fluid flow operation. Fluid flow operations, in it our driving force is the pressure difference. So in fluid flow operation basically we deal about the fluid flow and its driving force is the pressure difference between higher pressure to lower pressure the fluid transfers. Third one, that is the heat transfer operations. We have discussed in thermodynamics how heat flows, and here is the operation we are talking about, heat transfer operations, and its driving force is temperature difference. The fourth one, that is the mass transfer operation. Its driving force is the mass difference. So in fluid flow operation, we're gonna take example of filtration is one such example of fluid flow operation. In heat transfer operation, we can talk about the evaporation. Evaporation is included in the heat transfer operation. Mass transfer operation generally is in all diffusion and all that. Okay, so this was about all unit operations.